Okay guys, changing the oil on my Z-Force 48 Cub Cadet, and I just wanted a quick filter that I could put on it. And so I looked at a cross reference, and it took me a while to figure this out. However, I found just a common 3614 filter at Walmart will work on these engines, and this is the Koehler 7000 series 24 horsepower. So just a little quick tip for you there. Take out the old filter and go to Walmart, get you a 3614 filter, and they comes in Fram has one, SuperTech has one, but that's the number you're looking for. It's a 3614, and that'll get you on going. And oh, and by the way, you drain your oil right here. There's a little hose that you see right there. At least on this tractor, there's a hose that comes down and comes out back down there. You undo this little tip here, which I had to cut mine because I couldn't undo it. But anyway, this is the barb that goes on the oil drain hose. So if you can loosen this little square fitting right here, the oil should drain. Okay, and so this is the SuperTech MP 3614, and this is the filter that came out of the lawnmower. I can't really read the writing on it, or I would give you that serial number, but anyway, I can't read that. But anyway, this is a very decent replacement for that filter. So let's see if this thing will fit. Oh, and by the way, these filters are kind of hard to get to. The only way you can get it in there is to go from the bottom. Try not to touch anything with your filter. All right, and then there's that. Screw it in by hand. Screws on perfect. All I'm going to do is just hand tighten it. No need to go any tighter than that. And that's a done deal. Took just a few minutes to do that. You'll need to add about 2 quarts of 10W30. And that should get you going.